Another day, another chance, another dance. Today I'm discussing all about the quiz here. Q and app interface that implements both the Q and Deque interfaces in Java. Every Deque, Q and Deque, making it suitable for both FIFO and LIFO operations. Deque allows FIFO and LIFO operations. So it allows both. Deque allows both, whilst Q allows FIFO. First in, last out. Last in, first out. First in, first out. Yeah. Stream app. Of the above. Yes. The way I need to sit. The way I need to sit. Tree map, right? I'll just close. And it gets replaced. Yes. I nearly said, tree map. Yes. Or priority queue. I nearly said array deck. Complete 16. Out of 16 questions. The accuracy is 100%. So yeah, that's accuracy. So yeah, another day, another chance. Take care and have a nice day.